Welcome students. Today we are going to start a new chapter in economics, that is planning and development in India. In this chapter we will talk about very important topic of this chapter, that is Niti Ayog. Niti Ayog, new policy making body, a new policy making body. Okay, Niti Ayog, a new policy making body. So let's start. What is Niti? What is the full form of Niti? National Institute for Transforming India. N stand for national, I stand for institute, T stands for transforming, and I for India. National Institute for Transforming India. Okay, the NDA government. NDA, what is the full form? NDA, National Democratic Alliance. National Democratic Alliance, in Hindi राष्ट्रीय जनतांत्रिक गठबंधन. Okay, and let us tell you that the भारतीय जनता पार्टी lead it, जो NDA. Okay, NDA, भारतीय जनता पार्टी lead it. Okay, प्लानिंग कमीशन ऑन 1 जनवरी 2015. नीति आयोग was established in 2015 by NDA government to replace the planning commission. Okay, so Niti Ayog constituted in place of planning commission on what? On 1st Jan 2015. Okay, Niti Ayog is headed by the Prime Minister and has a Vice Chairman and CEO. Presently, Niti Ayog is headed by the Prime Minister and has a Vice Chairman and CEO. So these three peoples together will head the Niti Ayog as a Chairman, Vice Chairman and Chief Executive Officer, CEO. The Chairman, who is the current Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, and Dr. Rajiv Kumar is the Vice Chairman, and Amitabh Kant is the CEO. Okay, at present. Second, Niti Ayog is different from Planning Commission in terms of its main function. So Niti Ayog is different from Planning Commission because the function of Niti Ayog is different from the Planning Commission. Main function of planning commissions were first to prepare and implement the 5-year plans and to allocate financial resources to the states. The main function of planning commission, first to prepare and implement the 5-year plans and to allocate financial resources to the states. However, function of Niti Ayog are, there are 3 functions of Niti Ayog. First one is it assists the central government in the policy making. First is it assists central government for the policy making. Second is it serves as the government's think task. and third is it plays an important role in promoting economic federalism in the economy. Okay, so these three functions, main functions of Niti Aayog. Okay, Niti Aayog is a policy tank of the government of India. It was established with the aim of achieve sustainable development goals. It provides strategic technical advice to the center and the state government. Now let's move on the role of Niti Aayog. Role of Niti Aayog. So Niti Aayog performs three already discussed functions. These functions are the main role. Okay, already discussed. So the role of Niti Aayog is the same as we just talked about three functions. First one is same. It assists the central and the policy making. It assists the central government in the policy making. It serves as this as the government think task, and it plays an important role in promoting economic federalism in the economy. Okay, so these main rules Niti Aayog, basically these three main functions already discussed here. It assists the central government in policy making. It serves as the government think task, and it plays an important role in promoting economic federalism in the economy. Okay, now objectives of Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog aims to achieve the following objectives. First one is to evolve a vision of national development policies and strategies with the active involvement of state government in the light of national objective. So the first objective was that such a strategy should be made so that the objective of national development is fulfilled. Okay, first objective was that such a strategy should be made so that objective of national development is fulfilled. Okay, second, to design strategic long term policy and programs. So create strategies that were intended to be make programs run for a long time. Okay, create strategies that were intended to make programs run for a long time. Okay, third is to provide technical advice to the central and state government about development priorities. So they give the Niti Aayog give advice to central as well as state government for the priority of development. Niti Aayog give advice to the central as well as state government for the priority of the development. Okay, and next one is to actively monitor and evaluate the implementation of various development programs. So how effectively implement all the plans that have been made for the development. Okay, how they effectively implement, how to effectively implement all the plans that have been made for the development. So these are the basic main objective of Niti Aayog. Okay.